Hello students, welcome back to Peter Thought. This is Peter. I am here back with the part 2 of biology lesson 1 nutrition. In the previous class we have discussed about the 4 activities. In that 4 activities I detailed about the first two activities. That those are, first one is presence of starch in the leaves. This is the first one, and the second experiment is CO2, carbon dioxide, is necessary for photosynthesis. These are the two experiments which we discussed in our earlier video. If you have not sir, go and see it from the description. And the third one is oxygen evolved in the photosynthesis. This is a very important one and the lab activity. And the fourth one is sunlight is necessary. These are the four one. In this we are going to discuss about the third experiment. It is very important one now. Oxygen is evolved during the photosynthesis. For that, the materials which we required are beakers tube, funnel tube, test tube tube, and the hydrilla plant. Coming to hydrilla plant, it is an aquatic plant in which it grows in the water. And next we need a black paper and a mastic. These are the apparatus which we required for the experiment. Now first thing which we have to do is take a beaker and fill it with water. Now what we have to take is take a funnel and insert the hydrilla twigs into the funnel and insert it into the beaker in the inverted manner. Then later we have to do is take a test tube and fill it with the full water, and what we have to do is insert it on the narrow opening of the test tube. And what we have to do this is we have to place this whole apparatus in the sunlight. Actually we have to make the two sets in this, because we are going to test one set in the sunlight and other one in the shade. The first set is kept in the sunlight and the second set is kept in the dark by covering with the black paper. After that, after leaving it, when we observe for the observation, we observe that the bubbles have formed in the test from the funnel, from the hydrilla twigs. So we observe that the bubbles are exerted back and the water in that will be decreased. This indicates that the gas is present in that. So whether gas is present in there or not, we shall test it by a matchstick. So what we do is take a matchstick and insert it into the test tube containing the oxygen. By this we can prove that the oxygen is evolved during the photosynthesis. This is the third activity, which is the most important lab activity. You must learn this. And coming to the fourth activity. Fourth activity is sunlight is necessary to form starch. This is the very easier experiment which we can understand easily. For this we need is a plant and a little cardboard sheet which is cutted into any of the shape. As you are 10 students, I have took a number 10 there, and this sheet which is taken is a black paper. We take the black paper in order to prevent the sunlight falling on the leaf. So attach this cardboard sheet or the black paper which we take on the leaf and attach it with the clips such that it may not fall down. So leave this plant in the sunlight for certain time. What we observe is where this plant is, after keeping it in sunlight, pluck the leaf and test it with the iodine solution. This iodine solution indicates the presence of starch by the bluish black color. When we add the starch solution to this leaf, the area which is exposed to the sunlight turns into the bluish black color. This indicates that the sunlight is necessary for the leaf for formation of the starch. The place which is covered is still remains in the same color and it doesn't having any starch, so that the color will not get changed when we add the iodine solution, but the remaining area will be indicates and changes into bluish black color. By this experiment you can say that sunlight is necessary. Thank you and prepare well guys. Have a great day and all the very best for your final exams. Comment me which you require the topic.